The laundry bag and the washing sink. A homemaker sees a never ending journey when it comes to chores related to utensils and clothes. A job done day in and day out, yet seem to never diminish or run out. The laundry bag and the washing sink we see each day as it begins and completes. They never seem to empty itself. Before we know, it fills up and swells. We wish the things we enjoy the most never evaporates from this earth. The favorite snacks and eatables, and the playtime enjoyed by every kid. Some of us feel the day ended quick. Some of us feel if we could still rest and sleep. Time spent with friends will never suffice. Some functions and parties we wish never ended. When I see the laundry bag sitting at home and the washing sink standing in the kitchen, I wonder how come they never seem empty. Soiled clothes and utensils always seem to stare at me. Like a water spring, they seem to continuously flow. No matter how much we empty, they still overflow. Sometimes I feel, oh, if our energy was packed up like this, that never drained us of any sickness or illness. Unlike the laundry bag, which never empties, and the washing sink, which do not cease, everything in life does have an end. Many come with an expiry date printed on them. Let us make use of things before they expire, be it food, cosmetics, packaged things, or attire. Let us be reminded that our life carries an expiry. Unlike things, we don't have an end date jotted in a diary. Everything will end someday or another. Earthly existence, fun, and laughter. Still, the laundry bag and the washing sink in every home will continue to fill up and overflow. The existing inmates will continue the errand of the never ending washing of utensils and garments. The laundry bag, even if replaced, will continue to fill, and the washing sink will surely find new hands to clean the dirty utensils. Take thought of things which are eternal. Let's live our life meaningful and well. Beyond the skies, one day we would all fly, leaving the laundry bag and the washing sink behind.